Okay, we are at Carolyn Daybell trying a repair attempt with the shakes here. We're missing windblown shingle right here. Let's see the discolored.
Okay.
So you were saying, just to preface the video, so we've got a repair up here too, and you can see there's the paper underneath is no good. So in order to repair that and bring it up to code, if we were going to do this, we would have to do ice and water shield from the bottom to the top. Is that?
That's correct. Yeah.
Okay. So, and we can see the felt underneath here is, let's see, we can't. So to install properly with wood shake, so they do a layer and then felt on top of it, and then another layer and felt on top. So on this, that's not it's not possible here. But I mean, we'll do our best right here to fit this in, but and hopefully not break any shingles or shakes. So yeah, go ahead.
They break it.
And we've got to fit in nails here, so we got to pull this one out. Let's see, he's being delicate here. We got to pull it out a certain way to get those nails out.
Yeah.
Because yeah, you can't fit in loose shingle when there's a shingle there. Gotta pull out this other shingle.
Put that one in.
Pull out those other nails.
Jakey. Ay, Ponchés. One more aquí, Ponchés, ¿no? Aquí por aquí están.
Stable otherwise.
A ver,
Underneath.
yeah, little honey. That's kind of all already. Okay, Ponchés. Let's see. Aquí es esta, ¿no?
Sí, pero voy a la partida.
¿Qué la vieras de allá?
Sí, pero
Está aquí así. Es que ya está quebrada. A ver, es que no, yo no la alcanzo a dividir. Espera, a ver si la haces con la manita. Ok. Agárrala así. Ok. Ahí está. Otro clavel. A ver, chéveles, lete. Ay, andale así. Andale. Ahí está. Hay que clavar este güey aquí. Al para allá, así. Aquí ya. Así, ahí. ¿No lo puedes hacer para aquel lado? ¿O más para este lado?
Ese no.
No, ok. Ahí va a estar güey. Ay. Aquí va a estar güey.
Yeah, can you lift
Ah,
it
es
up
que-
high enough without breaking it?
Yeah, it's breaking. It's breaking. You see, put the nail right here.
Yeah,
We throw the no fill right there, right here. Paper.
yeah. Another felt.
Yeah.
And these these separated and lifting this up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, there's that, and there's that one
Yeah. This
separating.
one too, you know.
Yeah. All right.
Maybe we do milagros aquí. One more aquí, chico. No más vale. Vale más. Corazón. Vete, please. Pipi.
See, that's solid.
Yes,
and that just separated.
Thus, we can.
And yeah, you can see it's hard to go much up. So this is level. There are the nails.
Yeah.
Right on the edge here.
Oh, yeah.
And then, let's see, we gotta nail it right here too, right?
Yeah. See? It's
Is that nailed?
Yeah. Right there. You can see. You wanna take it? Yeah, you can go.
Is that?
Like, come
You gotta
on,
nail
go on
it
there.
here, right?
Yeah, I'll put it already.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see.
Oh, you already did it?
Yeah, I already did it.
Okay.
Take it there.
Oh, there.
You
I think
get
there
it?
It is.
Yeah,
I think so. Yeah.
you can
yep.
see it.
There we go. If I get my thumb out of the way. There we go. Yeah, okay. So, proper methods, and I mean, outstanding. I mean, we're separating here. This is now a compromised shake. This one too.
You see?
Yeah.
Because we can put another nail key because it's gonna be breaks all of it.
Mm-hmm.
You see? Oh my gosh.
Well, hopefully that's good.
Yeah.
Otherwise, there we go.